Where am I? Wait a minute. Father? Ah, my good son. Why did you try to trap my other son? I... Joe. Alright, just stop stammering and help your old man out. Break the chain with your brother. Joe. But I don't want to. Why not? I said I don't want to. Well, that's fine. I didn't need you anyways. Hall, kill the block for me. Joe! Yes, then I will return you back to your former self. Jojo. Let go of me. Joe. Kill that blob. Jojo. Joe. Oh no.